Running a school should not feel overwhelming. Yet many schools still struggle with scattered student records, manual attendance, unclear finances, disconnected communication, and systems that don't talk to each other. Rongeka Africa was built to bring everything together. Rongeka Africa is a complete school management system that helps schools manage students, academics, staff, finances, attendance, and communication, all from one simple, secure platform. From student enrollment and QR-based attendance, to assessments, report cards, teacher portals, and parent communication, Rongeka Africa gives school leaders a clear real-time view of how their school is running. On the financial side, the system goes beyond basic school fees. Rongeka Africa tracks levies, exam fees, transport, trips, and other charges. So you always know exactly what each student owes, what has been paid, and what is outstanding. Every record is clear, accurate, and fully traceable. Most importantly, Rongeka Africa is easy to start using. There are no demo requests and no credit cards required. Schools simply create an account and begin using the system immediately, with a 30-day free trial. Pricing is simple and transparent. Pay as you grow at just 50 cents per student per month, with no hidden fees. This video introduces a series where we will walk you through Rongeka Africa step by step, showing how each part of the system works and how it supports daily school operations. If you're looking for a clearer, more professional way to manage your school, continue with this series.